Can't the United States make a drone? It can definitely be made. First go to Japan and South Korea to register a company. Then buy products from Pandas and ship them to Japan and South Korea. And then find a local graphic store to print 100,000 labels. In this way, a factory with a monthly production of 100,000 drones was born. Don't think this is magic, reality is often so nonsense. Many people will say that drones are invented by others. And we are still rubbing mud when they play drones. That's right, they definitely have these basics. They made a lot of things, but they deindustrialized themselves. And now they can't make them independently. For example, Dong Yue used to be able to go up. But now that the technology is stronger, he can't go up, so he doesn't want to go up. Is there still FTAIls and building a production line that can't be made? Yes, it really can't be made. The batch of workers back then may now switch to insurance or immigration agencies. Don't think they have more than a dozen layers of aircraft carriers in their hands. You can ask them if the brand logo of the gantry crane dares to leak out. For example, rare earths, do they have purification technology? Absolutely, but it is expensive and has no large-scale industrial capacity.